Enchiladas can be a lot of work, so let's have the slow cooker do half of the work for us. These cheesy shredded chicken enchiladas come equipped with a delicious smoky ranchero style sauce. Both the chicken and the sauce come together in the crock pot, and guess what? It's only gonna take you about 3 minutes to prep. Here's how you do it. Add 1 large can of crushed tomatoes straight to the crock pot. Then you'll add in 1/3 cup of water, granulated sugar, ancho chili powder, kosher salt, garlic powder, cumin, and onion powder. Then just give it a stir and you'll add in your chicken breasts. Let that cook on low for about 4 hours, and that's it. That's the chicken and the sauce. So the first thing we're gonna do is get that chicken out of the crock pot. So what we're gonna do to shred it is we're gonna find the direction of the grain, and then we're gonna cut against it. And now I'm just gonna give it one more cut lengthwise. Now the crock pot is off duty, it's done its job, and it's time for one of my all-time favorite kitchen appliances to make its grand debut. Now you certainly do not need a stand mixer to shred the chicken. I just wanna show y'all how crazy easy this is. You're gonna take that chicken that you chopped up, throw it right into the stand mixer. Put it down, lock it into place, and then we'll just mix it on low. Okay, I'm gonna crank it up just a little bit. And it's done. So the chicken is our enchilada filling, and to that, we're gonna add about 1/4 cup of this sauce, about 1 cup of some freshly grated Monterey Jack cheese, and a generous pinch of salt. Now just grab a fork and mix it all up. You could also leave your stand mixer intact and have it mix it up for you. And now we are on to the tortillas. When it comes to rolling enchiladas, you really need your tortillas to be very pliable. Otherwise, they'll break in the midst of the assembly process. The easiest way to soften up corn tortillas is with some damp paper towels and your microwave. I just took these paper towels, ran them under some cool running water, and then squeezed out all of the excess water. Now I'm gonna take about 6 corn tortillas, and I'm just gonna wrap them up in these damp paper towels. Pop this in the microwave for about 30 seconds, just until the tortillas are really good and pliable. While the tortillas are heating up, I'm gonna add some sauce to the bottom of a 9 by 13 inch casserole dish. Just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. Now we're gonna start rolling up those enchiladas. Just grab a generous spoonful of that chicken and cheese filling. I kind of shape it in the center, and then I tuck and roll and tuck and roll. And then we'll just pop it right here in the casserole dish. And you'll just keep going until you've got a full pan. So that's it for the enchiladas. Now I'm going to spoon over the rest of that sauce just right over the top. Kind of spread it around. And last but not least, we're gonna come in with some more Monterey Jack. Sprinkle that right across the top. Now everything is cooked in here, so the only reason that it's going into the oven really is so that we can let those flavors melt a little bit and get that cheese nice and melty. About 25 minutes at 350 degrees will do the trick. While the enchiladas are finishing in the oven, I am just gonna give a bit of cilantro a rough chop. All right, here we go. We'll just garnish with that little bit of cilantro. And folks, it's time to eat. If you like this video, pretty please give it a thumbs up. And as always, I will link to the written recipe in the description below. While you're down there, go ahead and click that bell to subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep up with all of my Anthony Kitchen recipes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.